Hey Monkey Time, what is up? I'm Alex from Monkey Time. Welcome back to the channel. Happy 4th of July, guys. It might come out the day next, I don't know. But today we're going to be playing Fortnite on the computer, and you guys might notice. Oh wait, it's a different background. My room got remodeled, yes. It was nice, it's cool. We're still working on it, but you know what? I had to do a video for you guys. But let's not waste any more time. Let's go do this. I'm going to look through this stuff. Nice, okay. Let's go play the new static structures. No fill, because, you know, I don't want fill. Blocker. Here. Here you go, ruin. Because that's what I feel like. A conga! Okay, but anyway, so... Where'd that go? There it is. So you guys might see me leaning down. Yeah, that's because I'm picking up the trash that just spilled. Finally, we're going in. 1 minute 25 seconds, and we're finally going in. I need to make sure this is correct. Okay. You might notice my wall looks a little bit blank. You might notice there's also a minion next to me. Yes, that's I've had this room for 2 days now. You might see there's a purple spot. That's from the old paint on my wall. There's that everywhere. One of the spots is covered up by my car shelf. I find a shelf just for my cars. Okay, I'm gonna go there. Hello. By the way, guys, you might notice I'm a low level. I haven't been playing Fortnite as much. I've been playing Grand Theft Auto. Whoa! I just moved my mouse a lot. And by the way, you might notice there's a glass desk here. Yes, I got a glass desk. It's my father's old glass desk. Oh, somebody's gone there. Down here, maybe. Going down here is a good idea. Nice. No chest, are you kidding me? Okay. Okay, I might take the wind tunnel. Minis, that's good. I guess I'll use. I don't know why I played that game, but I did. Okay, let's do this. I'm trying to destroy this. No! I'm trying to get people because I want to fight. Darn it. The duck gave me 11. Oh. Yee! Okay, yeah. Cool. What was that? What is that? It's that. And I'm tired. Okay, let's do this. Any of my friends? Okay, load up and let's go. I'm playing with a ball now. Oh, it's a default! I just realized he's not a default for sure. This person is no. Ooh, a default! That's an actual default! I forgot I was gonna dance on it. Okay. Say I'm gonna drop GC. Wait. The monster's out of the ice. Whoa, I haven't been over here since the monster went. Whoa. The Ice King's castle. What? Is that a pump? Is that a pump? Nope. Oh. That's better. I landed up only pink I got. I just said I landed at Polar Pink. Ooh, those are some weapons, though. Thank the Lord. Getting some semi-good weapons. Never mind. That ends that streak. Ow. Why did that give me damage? Aw, they fixed the glitch. That makes me sad. Okay. Thank the Lord. I'm taking that instead of the SMG. There's no doubt about it. Do. I'm gonna try to get this dub, guys, so yeah. I got 2 minutes left on the video, so I'm just gonna do the outro now. I'm not gonna stop the video, but if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a big fat thumbs up. Again, happy 4th of July, guys. I'm gonna celebrate it. There is a default in the baller. I'm gonna go kill him. You guys are gonna get to watch. But thank you guys for watching, and the video is not done, but I'll say peace out when the video is, so. Okay. Yay! Oh, there's a storm flip over here. Storm. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-day. I've got a good shotgun. Hey! I've never tried this drum shotgun, but honestly, I'd rather have the combat. Somebody went on a storm rampage here. Hold on, give me a second.